Hi everyone, good morning. Hi, good morning Madhu. Good morning Bhagyashree. Good morning Praveena. Good morning Rajesh. Good morning Mahesh. Good morning Naveen. How are you all doing? How is the weather in your place? I am Tejasvi connecting from Vijayanagaram district in Andhra Pradesh. It's cool here. It's not sunny, it's not rainy. It's cool here. Nice. Madhu is saying she's connecting from Chennai and it's sunny there. Hi, Revati. Nice. Nice to see people connecting from different parts of the country. I welcome you all to Reskill Nation's live heart to heart sessions. So, today I am going to talk on the topic embrace every adversity as an opportunity. Okay. So before starting the topic, let me introduce about myself. So I am Tejasvi. I am born and brought up in Kakinada, a town in East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. So it's famous for sweet kaja. So whenever you get a chance to visit my place, do taste it. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I have two sisters and one brother. And my husband is a businessman. We are blessed with 5-year-old daughter. I have two co-sisters, and I'm very lucky to have very caring, loving, encouraging, talented mother-in-law. And coming to my educational background, so I was topper in school and college. And during my third year of BTech, I got placed in top MNC. So I worked as a software engineer for 4 years in TCS Hyderabad. After that, my marriage got fixed, so I resigned job as I didn't like working under someone. I was more interested in business. So then we came to Vijayanagaram. This is a place famous for arts and music. And now I'm a woman who likes to do something apart besides household chores. So as I'm interested in academics, so we took Play Schools franchise. So I enjoyed looking after my schools. First year went very well. Strength touched 200 nearly, and our school became the best play school in our town. But things don't remain same always, right? Life will have ups and downs. So this pandemic struck. So we had to close our schools. So I became idle again. Then I started searching for another opportunity. Then one day I saw Reskill Nation's post in Facebook. So I was very much fascinated because I got to know that it's a platform that empowers women on and trains women on high value skills that help every woman to manage both personal and professional lives very successfully. So how am I before and after getting trained from Reskill Nation Reskill Nation course? So let me tell it with an interesting story. Okay, here there are two girls, Kushi and Samanya. So they are sisters and co-sisters also. So they live in same family, in same place. So after marriage, they got shifted from metropolitan city to a town. Samanya was not happy with that life. She felt like she was missing city life. So she was missing all that fun, parties, hotels, and all. And here it is joint family. So she felt there is no privacy with her husband and kid. Whereas Kushi on the other side, she saw the positive side. So she felt city life is busy life. Almost everyone live in apartments with their doors closed, and there will be restrictions for kids in terms of noise like that. Whereas here, she got the privilege to live in individual house, so her kid can play very happily in outdoor area even. And coming to joint family, she felt like she has so many people to share her works and emotions, and happiness quotient will be very high, especially during festivals. So that's what Kushi felt. And after 1 year of their marriage, their father-in-law expired. So Samanya felt sentimentally bad. She felt sad that she came and this happened like that. Whereas Kushi felt like uh, at least 1 year she could spend with her father-in-law, and he heard the news of her conceiving also. So she felt happy that way. And during this pandemic, their schools got closed. So then Samanya started counting all the bad things that happened to her, like shifting from city to town, and then joint family, and then this pandemic, her father-in-law expired, all this. Whereas Kushi felt this is temporary, this lockdown is temporary. So why don't I look for another opportunity in this time? So she worked on that. With Reskill Nation, she could become an influencing digital successful entrepreneur. So how is the story? Did you like it? So this is my story. So I used to be like Samanya before. Means for every adversity, I used to get stuck. I used to get depressed. Means in my ninth standard, I got second rank once. Till then, I was first ranker. One time, with just 1 mark difference, I got second rank. So I couldn't take it easily. I felt so depressed and I was hospitalized also. So from that mindset to now, to becoming like Kushi. So what is the reason behind this transformation? Means the all credits goes to Reskill Nation. So I'm means in Reskill Nation, they teach us high value skills on growth mindset. Means how to turn adversities into opportunities, and how to look the positive side of life. Means previously I used to look a glass with half water as half empty, but now I see the same glass of water as half full. So things are same now and before, but my perspective of looking at things changed. So I feel every adversity as an opportunity. So how you can become like me, means how you can change your life into a positive, happy, inspiring, influencing way. Means just sign up in Reskill Nation page, get trained from with the high value skills. So you'll be learning social media skills, and you can become an influencing entrepreneur, and you'll be trained on growth mindset. So you will be able to live a happy, successful life. Okay. Uh, Reskill Nation sessions will be on every Saturday and Wednesday. So tune in on next Wednesday again at 4:30 p.m. Hope I have added some value. So take life as a blessing. It definitely will have adversities and happy moments too. But with growth mindset, we can turn adversities also as opportunities. That's what I wanted to say. Thanks for being nice audience. Thank you, Reskill Nation, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak on this wonderful platform. Okay, thank you all. Signing off. Have a great, healthy, and happy weekend ahead. Bye bye.